Rahim. The topic is the Lahore Resolution. As you see the Minar-e-Pakistan indication, Lahore Resolution. The Lahore Resolution, that is also called Pakistan Resolution, and it was later called Pakistan Resolution. First it was called as Lahore Resolution, and Bengali it is a Lahore Prostab. A resolution passed at the annual session of All India Muslim League at its 1940 meeting 22nd and 24 March at Minto Park, now called Iqbal Park, for the creation of independent state of Muslim in British India. The resolution was moved by Bengal Chief Minister Maulvi Fazlul Haq, known as Sher-e-Bengal. So, what was in the resolution? No constitution plan would be workable or acceptable to the Muslim unless it is designed on the following basic principles, namely that the geographical contiguous units are demarcated into regions which should be so constituted, with such territorial readjustment may be necessary, that the area in which the Muslims are in majority, as in the north-western and eastern zone of India, should be grouped to constitute independent state in which the constituent unit shall be autonomous and sovereign. The adequate, effective, and mandatory safeguards shall be specially provided in the Constitution for minorities for the protection of their religious, cultural, economic, political, administrative, and other rights. The resolution of unanimously accepted by the participants who had assembled at the meeting place in a large number. The resolution was seconded by a number of prominent Muslim leaders from all over the country. These are the glimpses about the Lahore resolution, how it was presented, and what efforts were made. This is the indication. This picture also shows that how the Lahore resolution was passed and what is the memorable part of that resolution. Those who seconded the resolution these names were given, and from each and every part of the majority of the Muslim area, they participated in this resolution. Although the resolution did not contain the word Pakistan, but the word Pakistan resolution had gained widely popularity due to Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the word Pakistan, in which P stand for Punjab and so on. All these has been given the specific terms, and specific alphabet have a specific meaning. Pakistan resolution in the Sindh Assembly. The Sindh Assembly was the first British India legislature to pass the resolution in favor of Pakistan. This text was buried under the Minar-e-Pakistan during its building in the Ayub regime. Importance of Pakistan resolution. The Pakistan resolution is a landmark in the history of Muslim India, as it eventually decided the future of the subcontinent. Muslims were convinced that their future as a nation was not secured in the united India, and therefore decided to demand a separate homeland. Muslims gathered under the dynamic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam, who gave a new meaning and shape for independence. The Muslims were convinced that there was no other solution of the Indian problem except the creation of two separate and sovereign states of Hindustan and Pakistan. The acceptance of Pakistan resolution strengthened the two-nation theory, which was the basis of Muslim struggle for independence. The word and contents for the subcontinent was on the theory that there were two major and distinct nations in the subcontinent. The passage of Pakistan resolution gave an impetus to the freedom movement. The Pakistan resolution was a demand for the protection and safeguard of the national identity of the Muslim. Thank you.